Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the PlayStation verification code not being received. So first, check that you're using the correct email address or phone number connected to your PSN account. Then wait a few minutes before requesting another code because repeatedly requesting new codes can sometimes cause delays. Next, check your email's spam, junk, or promotions folder. And if you're receiving the code by text message, then make sure your phone has a working cellular connection and can receive SMS messages. You should also check whether your inbox or phone storage is full. And if you recently changed your phone number or email address, then make sure your PSN account information is up to date. If the PlayStation network is experiencing an outage, verification service may also be affected. And if you still can't receive a code, then use the official PlayStation support account recovery options. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.